Okay, what's up guys? If you're watching this video right now, it's my pleasure to have you here. So I know you must be looking for your way to fund your memefi wallet, which is the Telegram, the airdrop for everyone. I know everyone is really on this game, so everyone is participating in airdrop. So I will show you guys on how to do this. It's very simple. The only thing you need is just three simple apps. So and these three simple apps, the first one is the OKX, that's the exchange, where you will be converting your coin to USDT and then purchasing the memefi Ethereum address needed for you. So, and the second one is the LUNO app. With this LUNO app, you can be able to buy any crypto from your bank account, and you can also withdraw directly to your bank account. And then the third one is the Telegram app, which is the memefi. Do what to check the description of this video, and you'll find all the necessary steps or guides you need to get started. And there will be a huge bonus attached. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. So at this point, we have to go to the OKX Exchange first and deposit crypto. I already have 2 USDT, but let me show you on how to do that. We click on deposit and then click on deposit crypto. So in the search bar, I want to deposit TRX, so we have to type in TRX. So right here we select TRC20. And then we copy our address. So what next? What you have to do is to go back to LUNO, which this is the platform you will be able to buy from your bank account. You click on wallet and then select TRX. Let's look for TRS, and then I already have some funds in my TRS, so we have to send this to our OKX Exchange wallet. Alright, we click on send. Let's wait for it to load up. So right here we paste our TRS address we copied from our OKX Exchange, and then click on next. So we input the amount we want to send out. Here I choose max and then next. We confirm. So we have successfully sent the TRS to our OKX Exchange. So let's go back and then check if we have received our TRX. Let me go back and then I refresh. Okay, as you can see, I have received my TRX on my OKX Exchange. So now let's go over and then click on trade, convert it to USDT. So at this point, we change the pairs from OKB and then search for TRX. On the sidebar, we type in TRX. We select TRX/USDT and then click on sell, because we'll be selling our TRX for USDT. So at this limit order, we have to change it to market, so we buy instantly on the market price. Click on this little plus icon so we can transfer our TRX from our funding wallet to our trading wallet. So we click on transfer crypto, and then right here you will see that from our funding wallet I'm going to select max, so because I'm sending everything to my trading account. So okay, successful. Now let's go back to the trading dashboard. So right here you will see that there is now available TRX, so you can choose the amount you want to send out. I select all and then click on sell TRX and confirm. Alright, order placed. Okay, we can now go back to the pairs and then change it from TRX to ETH. So we can be able to buy the ETH with the USDT we just converted. So we type in ETH and select ETH/USDT. Now we change this from sell to buy, because we want to buy ETH with the USDT we just converted. So as you can see, you can change this toggle right here from 25%, 50%, 75% and 100%. So I'm going to use all the available USDT I have and then select the highest toggle. So I choose all my USDT and then click on buy ETH and confirm. Alright, order placed. You can see we have successfully bought the ETH, and then when I go to assets and then check on my dashboard, you can see I now have available ETH right here. So we have successfully bought the ETH. Alright, Then what you have to do now is to send this ETH to our memefi wallet. So what you have to do now, let's go over to Telegram app and then click on the memefi. Okay, play and then let's wait for it to load up. Alright, so we now go over to wallet. I know you must have created a wallet by now. If you haven't done that, you need to do that. So right here, we now click on deposit and then make sure the Ethereum you are sending here is Ethereum linear network. Don't forget that. Then I copy my address and then go over to OKX app and then send it. Make sure you are doing this with OKX and then send the Ethereum under linear network. Very important, or you'll miss your airdrop or you miss your coin instead. So right here, we now click on withdraw and click on withdraw crypto. So right here, I want to withdraw ETH. We type in ETH or we select it from the available balance we already have. So let me just type ETH to make sure it appears. Alright, we select the first ETH, which is Ethereum, and I click on on-chain. Alright, as we have selected on-chain, then we paste the address we copied from our memefi and then paste it in the space bar there. So now this is the very important part. You select network, then you scroll up and make sure you look for linear, ETH linear. You can see right here. So we select ETH linear and then you will see the minimum. We will refresh and the minimum we have to send out is 0.0003, which is very cheap. So it's very easy for you to afford. Now I'm going to send all the Ethereum I have. So I click on max. That's just the little I have. I just bought for the sake of this video. Then click on submit. Alright, we agree to terms and then continue. So right here, once you confirm that the address is correct and the fees and you are satisfied with that, then hit on confirm. Alright, right here you check your email and then check your SMS and then input the code for you to approve the transaction. Alright, I have approved my transaction. I can see that the request has been submitted. So let's view details. Okay, now our withdrawal is processing. So while we wait for this withdrawal to be completed, make sure you get the LUNO app. The link will be in the description below and there will be a bonus attached, don't forget. So we have, okay, so you can see now our withdrawal is now in progress. Sent. Okay, we have seen now we have successfully sent our ETH to our memefi address, which is the linear network. Don't forget that. So we have to go back to our Telegram bot, which is the memefi, and then check if we received the ETH. Okay, let's open it up and then let's give it a minute. Alright, let's go over to our wallet. Okay, boom, we now have our Ethereum deposited successfully. So this is just it. This is the only thing you need to do in order to position yourself for this airdrop so that you have the gas fee required to convert your memefi or maybe to send out your memefi. So do well to like, subscribe and share this video if you find this helpful. Don't forget to use the LUNO app I recommended earlier. See you next time.